Hey everyone, this is Vitasta and I am so excited to be collaborating with the SSBeauty and I am going to take you through my day today, so let's go. So I'm going to do my skincare. I usually plan my skincare according to my schedule and my everyday outings, and today I am planning to go to Marine Drive. Yes, and then to Girgaon Chowpatty, the beach, and I am going to take you through all of it, don't worry. So first let's do the skincare. My routine begins with a simple cleanse. I'm using Clinique's facial soap, which is a very mild and gentle cleanser. It cleans the face very nicely and removes all excess oil and dirt. The best thing about this is it doesn't dry out the skin and protects skin's natural moisture. Next up, I'm using a moisturizer. I'm using this one from Estēe Lauder, the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Moisturizer. This one is super hydrating and gives you a very soft and supple skin, and it even revitalizes your skin from within. I know everybody says this so many times, but it doesn't get enough. I'm also gonna say it. Never forget your SPF, okay? I'm using this one from Clinique. It is SPF 50 and protects from UVA and UVB rays. It's a very good sunscreen, doesn't leave a white cast, and protects your skin from irreversible sun damage. Like, it's really important to apply sunscreen. Sunscreens also kind of give you a glow on your face. Like, you can see my skin immediately transformed. And as the last step of my skincare, I will use a lip balm. I'm using this Caudalíe lip balm because your lips need hydration too, and with this, make sure that any lipstick that you apply during makeup, like matte or whatever, it doesn't dry out your lips. Okay, well, my skincare is done now. I have to get ready to go out, so I'll see you in a minute. And here is my outfit. I'm wearing a simple white t-shirt with a pretty dainty necklace, and lastly my Gucci Bloom perfume to make sure I smell as sexy as I look. And now I'm ready, let's head out. I just love Marine Drive. The vibe, the birds, the people, everything is so chill. I like to come here when I have a day off and just soak in all the breeze. This is the place to be. It's so calm, and this is the soul of Mumbai. To Sabko Cafe at Kitab Khana, one of my favorite cafes in Mumbai. They have the best coffee in town and I just love spending time here. This is Girgaon Chowpatty, one of the most famous beaches of Mumbai. It's always so cheery and full of people from different groups. The salty air and all that walking surely made me hungry. Thankfully, there's a whole row of delicious food stalls, so I decided to go for the ice gola first because there's nothing like it on a hot beach day. I took the kachi curry flavor. It's one of my favorites. After that, I had the most delicious pav bhaji, one of the most famous dishes in Mumbai. You have to try it. The buttery taste melted in my mouth. Something you should never miss when you're here. Oh god, what a tiring day, right? All I need right now is a long, relaxing bath. So now I'm going to share with you my nighttime routine. Let's go. I start with Kama Ayurveda's shampoo. Bringadi is great for hair growth, and this product is filled with goodness of Ayurveda. It completely removed all the salt and dust from my hair. Next, I use Kama's conditioner. Roaming around in heat today made my hair so dry, and this really helps with that. It treats dry and damaged hair. I leave the conditioner on for a few minutes before I rinse it off. Then I use the Plum hair mask for that extra hair care. This one is great for super dry and chemically treated hair, making them soft and manageable. I have to leave this mask on for a couple minutes. Till then, I will use the Vita organic scrub to exfoliate my skin and get rid of dead skin cells. It makes my skin really soft and smooth and helps dull skin to glow. And lastly, I'm using the Body Shop body wash. I love the citrusy scent. It is so fresh and I feel really cleansed and refreshed after this. And now I'll do the final rinse. Then I cleanse my face finally with the Clinique facial soap that I use in the morning. I'm using Arcelia body butter to lock in the moisture after exfoliation. It helps to make the skin so soft and moisturized. I love the fruity scent. Now for the rest of my skincare, I moisturize with the Estēe Lauder cream that I use in the morning and then use the Laneige water sleeping mask to lock in the moisture. It makes my skin very soft and plump overnight and it keeps it hydrated. Finishing it off with the Laneige lip sleeping mask to hydrate my lips overnight. It's one of the best things. And now the most crucial thing for beauty is a restful sleep. But before that, if you like this video, then do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. That's it for today. This is me signing off. Bye.